Welcome to a demo on how to create a blog for affiliate marketing. I'd like to start off by saying a huge thank you. And why? Well, the course that I did create last month, I'm recording this in the month of June, so the last month in the month of May, when I launched the affiliate marketing for beginners, it went beyond my expectation. At the time of recording this particular video, I've been able to achieve about 8,311 students who have actually enrolled for this particular course, and I've got a rating of about 4.3. As you can see, the ratings at about 4.3. Yes, I have got a couple of some a 1-star rating and a 2-star rating as well, but I guess a majority has actually received this course pretty well. We've got almost 38% of these students giving a 5-star rating, and then a 4-star and a 3-star, which, and these are some of the reviews that I've also got for the course. These are a couple of the 4.5-star ratings, another 5-star rating over here, another 5-star rating as well, a 3-star rating, someone saying that there should be more as practical assessments in the particular course. Again, a 5-star rating. Because of these ratings and the number of enrollment which have actually happened in the course, affiliate marketing, if you actually search for it, is one of the, my particular course is one of the top courses that are coming up under the top courses under affiliate marketing. Yes, this do have a rotational basis as well. Nevertheless, this does come up under the top courses in affiliate marketing. Again, because of your enrollments and the ratings that I have received, this again comes under the most, it's coming under the featured courses in affiliate marketing and under the most popular category as well. So hence, again, a huge round of thank you and for the support that you've actually given. This course has really been well received, and as expected, I get a number of emails on a daily basis ask with various doubts and clarifications, and I'm more than happy to actually receive these mails and help you and clear all your doubts. I hope I'm doing my best. I hope most of you have been receiving my mails and my replies with answering all your queries. If I have missed out on any of the mails, I do apologize and request you to do send me a reminder. With all these reviews and the enrollments, it is my duty to make sure that I come out with another small little inclusion for this affiliate marketing for beginners, which is basically a practical overview. I've got a number of mails asking me as to can I show them how to get this work done, how this particular module really works, and how to actually create a blog, the entire practical reference, how that can be actually done. So I felt it's my duty to actually go ahead and create this small little inclusion. I would probably include this in the course as well. Nevertheless, you guys would be the first to actually receive this. I'm sending this, I don't know, I'd be sending this by mails or probably mention it in the group as well, the Facebook group. And that's not another topic which I'm coming up to right now. I will include the Facebook group link in this, wherever in the mail or probably in the page that you're getting as well. Please do join the group. It's slowly but steadily growing, and it's an open platform where we all can learn, and not only on affiliate marketing, but very soon I will be having various topics pertaining to digital marketing as well. I will start including SEO, lessons on SEO, lessons on WordPress, and on email marketing, and on chatbots, and content marketing. There will be a number of courses that are actually coming up. There's a number of courses that's actually lined up as well. So I'd really request you to be a part of this group. Hence, you all will get first-hand information about what is being launched, and we all can learn together. Now, before I actually forget, as a token of my appreciation for the number of signups, and if you do join my Facebook group as well, I will offer a course on building a brand free of cost for all those who've actually enrolled onto our group. This again is a course which I've launched this month, in the month of June, and you can see I've already got close about 11,000, a little more than 11,000 students who have actually enrolled, and I've already garnered about 4.1 rating as well. This is again a course on building a brand, right from deciding on your brand name and then learning WordPress, email marketing, using automations in terms of chatbots within your website, and launching your website all flat in 5 days. I even speak a little bit about social media here as well, which is the right platform for you. This course is featured on Udemy as well. Nevertheless, if you do go ahead and be a part of my Facebook group, I will send you a link for this, which you can enroll for this course free of cost. So, with all this being said, let's jump into the actual topic. Again, I request you all to follow the steps. All the links will be mentioned below this video or in the group or in the mail that I'm actually sending. So go ahead, and there's a more practical lesson that we will be covering, and I will cover that in the next video. So let's jump into that now. Thank you.